Go buy that fucking house. Yeah. Buy that fucking house for the mama. For the mama. John Crowley for the mama.
Underground, the best video clips around.
What you want me to drop here? I don't know, don't even fucking care. I can't rap, got no skills at all, but there's one thing I got, it's a third ball. Yes, I'm telling you the fucking facts. I'm fat, white, cannot rap, but I got that third testicle, cause I'm the best of ya. You know it's true, I don't know what to do, so go and do it.
Yeah, young Pimpmunk on the beat. Young Pimpmunk shit in his seat. Wipe his ass with some dirty toilet paper. All them girls in the room know he'd rape her, cause he's a sick fucking creep. Creep up with his fingers in her sleep. I touch the titty, play the kitty, cause he's fat boy. He's motherfucking sex toy. Adam and Eve, best believe. Code D peasants on the it's code peasants. I can't remember the fucking code. Yeah, yo. Lil Pump about to drop a lil jump on a lil chump. Pimpmunk got the mumps or the measles. He's like a weasel, like Bobby Heenan. Probably down on his knees, dick cleaning, like he's Keenan. Ivory Wayne's got ivory shit stains up in his hands, cause he's crapping his pants. John Crowley in the back gon' do a little dance. Truffle shuffle, fat boy.
Nope.
Come on, truffle shuffle, pig.
I will not do that. Look at you gonna call me a pig. You better than me. Bit of the bacon.
Yo,
I was pretty. I really like that, Bobby.
All right.
I like that one.
hey.
Oh, you're in the Middle East now.
Oh, Pimpmunk. Let's sing to the people and tell them all the ways of the Kama Sutra. Hey.
It is.
Oh my God, I'm about to fumble. I'm here to make you humble. Break your back, stick my dick in your crack, twinge you over and give it a smack. My name is Pimpmunk, I'm a fucking freak. I like to rape little geeks. I'm coming to the DP chat room, gonna stick my penis in your poop chute. Yes. Go, Billy the Fridge.
Billy the Fridge, yes really it is. Pimpmunk, stick it up in your poop chute, cause he's a Fruit Loop. He'd probably shoot soup in his veins with a heroin syringe. Your Christmas caroling bitch, for them cookies I'ma win. Your double chins doubled up like the double mint. I'm fucking twins, Pimpmunk, yeah you loving it. Cause I'm the king with the crown, call me creepy, like I'm Crawley. And when I'm sleeping, Pimpmunk said he's about to drop his nuts up on my forehead. I wake up with your testicles, here you're on the floor dead. Now that's a warning. Don't molest me. Pimpmunk, don't test me.
I'm going to rape that big old booty. I'm going to pack all that duty. I'm going to do my thing, sex you up. Come here, you big pretty fat fuck. Oh, yes, suck my balls. Gonna shove them all up in those chunky little jaws. I'm going to do it though, yes I am. And then Billy's gonna say, Pimpmunk, you're my dad. Oh,
Pimpmunk, I am sad. If you treat me really bad, putting balls up on my forehead like the Kama Sutra, I put it on your mommy, John. I'ma shoot ya.
oh, you're done.
I'ma neuter you. I'm the cuter dude. Yeah, I'm fatter. It don't matter, dude. You're fucking lubed and ready for my entry. Dick up in your booty, bitch. I'm about to love you gently.
Yes. Man, I just think it's a fucking honor to do this shit with you, brother, honestly.
Thank you for taking the long trip out here to hang out with us.
I mean, honestly, I fucking love Billy, dude. He's fucking...
I love Pimpmunk too. Anybody who, and especially if my mom's watching, because my mom gets on me all the time for getting on you.
Oh,
she defends you all the time. I'm like, Mom, I'm just fucking with him. I do that with all my friends. She's like, yeah, but Pimpmunk. She's like, I think she got a crush on you. Really? Because she goes, I drove the Greyhound all the time when I was a teenager, and every time you talk trash on the Greyhound, it's like you're talking trash on me, and you definitely, Pimpmunk doesn't need to feel shame because it was good enough for your mama, Billy. I'm like, okay, Mom, fuck. Hey.
Let me find it. All right, hold on. No.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Here we go again.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah. Yo. Yeah, dun da da dun 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 da da dun 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 da da dun dun. I'm like Sylvester Stallone when I throw your mama bone. I'ma buy her ass a home and put you on the road. The whole load, Pimpmunk up on the Greyhound. This the KO punch, bitch, you stay down. You big chubby fucking gut, bitch. I'm about to fuck you in your fat tits. Your man tits, Pimpmunk. I'm about to put my dick up in your chunk, then I'll spunk. Bubba bump, bubba bump. You're a bum, 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 bum. You're a bum, 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 bum. You're a bum. You're a bum. You're a bum. You're a bum, 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 bum. Pimpmunk, are you texting?
No, I'm trying to
look for rhyming words to rhyme with fat.
Get in the chat.
He's in the thesaurus.
Oh, Pimpmunk's getting it. Thesaurus. Are you trying to get chat
I haven't
open?
got to see the chat on that. I was going to jump in there.
Chat's saying things like, leave Pimpmunk alone. Leave him aligned. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't unalign Pimpmunk's spine. Leave him aligned. No. What a waste of a good instrumental. Well, I'll tell you a secret. Ben's gonna let all these instrumentals go for a small fee to the best rapper. You can have an original song.
What did I do?
You're gonna sell these songs to people right now for their original tracks. Billy, you don't have any bars but Three Musketeers. Well, that's cute.
I did. Hold on.
Hey, is that the Royal?
I did. No. That was Rocky still.
Oh, okay.
I did Stranglehold by Ted Nugent. I turned Ted Nugent into a song. I did like a remix of that.
Oh, give Pimpmunk a hug? I should, yeah. Pimpmunk, if I give you a hug, will you lay on my back?
Because Ted Nugent, he's awesome, right?
Hey.
He's a Jeebus man.
I hate him.
Pimpmunk. Yeah. Pimpmunk, you're a real cool friend. I wanna be your friend till the end. Pimpmunk. I wanna pinch your chubby cheekies. If I was gay, me and you would get freaky. Pimpmunk, you're a cute boy. I would do you raw dog, no lube boy. Cause you're sweet when I kiss ya. Don't mean to diss ya, I would really miss ya if you left. But welcome to the 420. Pimpmunk's on your screen, man, your money. Yeah, you're hella fucking dope. Pimpmunk, you're our last white hope. Pimpmunk, I'd probably never shade him. I love this fucking dude going by his fucking kratom.
The best video clips around. TV Underground has the best video clips in town. TV Underground has the best video clips around.